respectable teacher, and my fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It was the 14th of August when the Muslims of subcontinent were able to get the land for their own, where they live according to their own religion. 14th August 1947, Pakistan appeared on the map of the world after a remarkable efforts of my dear leader Mr. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who was a man of great caliber and had the belief that the Muslim could only live happily. The country that is according to the ideology of Islam. The Muslim of subcontinent gave many sacrifices for the country, as they were not allowed to practice their own religion because they were a minority. There, however, the efforts of Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Iqbal and Sir Syed Ahmad Khan made sure that their sacrifices could not give vain. They were able to provide the Muslims of subcontinent an independent homeland. Wassalam.